Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys my favorite beauty products that I've learned to love over the years, or actually I just have been loving over the years, and all of them are drugstore affordable products. I have multiples in like each category. So I have like 3 foundations, 2 powders, and just a lot of variation like in terms of price range as well and the product quality as well. So you have a really wide range to choose from according to your needs. And another thing, Nykaa is having their sale right now. So if you like any product that I recommend, I will link everything in the description box below, and everything's going to be at a much discounted price. So having said all of that, let's just get started with today's video. Foundation. Now I'm going to start with my favorite, the one that I've been using ever since I started my YouTube channel, I think. It's the Maybelline Fit Me Foundation. And you guys always ask me what shade I use. There isn't just one shade that I use 3 different shades. So the reason for that is I tan very easily and I lose my tan as easily. So I have to always keep like going back and forth with different foundations. So I'll start with the lightest one that I use. I use the 310 Sun Beige. The second one is 320 Natural Tan, and the third one is 322 Warm Honey. I usually mix them, like mix the 2 or mix all 3 of them as well sometimes. It really depends on what skin tone I am. But if you have oily skin, if you want to wear it for like an everyday basis, try this one out. This is the cheapest one out of all the 3 foundations that I'm going to show you guys. The second foundation is again by Maybelline, and it's their Superstay 24-hour. As the name suggests, this is definitely a more full coverage foundation, and this is a little bit more expensive as compared to the Fit Me, but I think it's totally worth it because the coverage and the finish that it gives you, it's so beautiful. The 2 shades that I use is 310 Sun Beige and 312 Golden. Right now I'm wearing 312 Golden. And the last foundation that I have is by NYX. It's their Total Control Drop Foundation, and this is in the shade 12.5 Camel. Now this is kind of like an in-between of the 2 Maybelline foundations that I showed you. You can wear it both like full coverage and also more natural. So what I do, if I want to wear it for like an everyday basis, I take like 2 drops on my fingers, rub it between my palms, and just smear it all over my face, and it literally looks like my skin, which is my favorite thing about this product. Another way how I use it is if I want to use this to film videos, I'll like put a lot of like drops on my face and then use a brush or a beauty blender, and it gives me beautiful full coverage like texture. So yeah, you can use these both ways, and I really like this foundation. But I almost forgot concealers. I don't really use concealers that often. I've been trying to get into the habit of using just concealers and like being done for the day. So I've learned to love these 2 concealers. The first one is by Maybelline. It's their Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I am in the shade Caramel. Such a beautiful concealer, so full coverage, so easy to blend, and I love this. The second one that I have is everyone's favorite. It's the LA Girls Pro Conceal Concealer, and this is in the shade Medium Beige. This one again is so beautiful. Like, I know what the hype is all about for this concealer. It's very lightweight, but at the same time it has coverage and it's very easy to blend. If I had to recommend one out of the 2, because I think both of them are around the same price range, don't quote me on that. If I had to recommend, I would say go for the LA Pro Concealer. To set everything in place, we need some powder. Now I'm going to sound like a broken record. I keep recommending this product in every single video, but it's some talcum powder. This is what I use every day. This is what I'm wearing right now as well to set my foundation. This is for like 10 bucks. Try it out. But if you're not into talcum powder, this is the powder that I would recommend. This is by Maybelline, and the shade that I'm in is Medium Deep. This is the Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. It's such a beautiful powder. A lot of times I just wear this on its own. So I'll wear some moisturizer, sunscreen, and then does this all over my face. It will give me beautiful coverage, and even on top of foundation, it just sets everything beautifully. I think I'll continue with face products. Let's do blush next. So the blush that I have is by Nykaa, and this is in the shade Brazilian Bombshell 01. I usually mix both the shades and use it on my cheeks. I've been really into blushes. I'm not talking about a contour shade or like a bronzer. Especially for my skin tone, I think it's so tricky to find a bronzer in the drugstore. I think I found this. This is by Maybelline, and this is their Master Contour palette. So it has a bronzer or a contour, there's a blush, and then there's a highlighter. I really like the contour. I'm actually wearing it right now. I love it. You can use it as a contour as well and as a bronzer as well. And it comes in a bunch of different shades, so you can pick and choose. There's a blush. Now the blush is very pretty, but it has specks of glitter, which I'm not a fan of, so I stay away from the blush. But the highlighter is beautiful. So definitely pick this one up. I think as a palette, I think it's a really good palette to have. Let's hop on over to eyes. Let's start with brows. Now I have 3 brow products. Now if you want like a super bold eyebrows, sorry, go for the Miss Claire's eyebrow cake. There are a bunch of different colors, so you can really like play it down for like a natural eyebrow. You can use these light colors, or if you're going for like that Instagram brow, you can use the darker colors. And the brush and the spoolie that comes with it is of really good quality, so definitely would recommend. If you want products for like an everyday, try these 2 ones by Nykaa. The first one is the Nykaa's Brow Girl Brow Definer, and this is in the shade Bewitched Chestnut. So basically this is a brow pencil, and it also comes with a spoolie. Now this is very natural, so if that's the look that you're going for, try this one out. I wear this on its own on like my natural no makeup days. And this is another product that I wear when I have absolutely no time to do my brows. I'll just brush my brows with this product. This is the Nykaa's Oh My Brow. I hope I'm not going like too fast, but I have so many products to cover and I don't want this video to be like 30 minutes long. So I'm just like speeding through everything, but you need to believe me, I love all of these products. I've been using them for years now. So just have my word, they're beautiful products. Let's talk about eyeshadow palettes, shall we? The first one is by NYX. It's their Love Contours All palette. I think I've recommended this palette in the past. So if you're looking for a palette that like one palette does everything sort of a palette, this is the one. There are brow products right here. You can do your brows with this. You have your contour. This contour shade is beautiful. There's highlight and then there are eyeshadows. So if you're looking to buy just like one eyeshadow palette, definitely buy this one. It's an amazing palette. The eyeshadows that are here are very neutral and very everyday basis, but at the same time you can make like a more glamorous look out of it as well, because there's a black, there's a plum, so it's a very nice, beautiful, versatile palette to have. Will highly recommend. But if you're looking for like a more fun, colorful sort of a palette, we have Makeup Revolution. This is the Sophx palette. This is what it looks like. It has some beautiful colors. It has a lot of oranges, purple, some greens. So it has a little bit of everything. I think it's really beautiful, very highly pigmented, and yeah, it's a beautiful palette. Eyeliners. I'm gonna recommend the Lakme's Insta liner, obviously. What makes my case even stronger is adding these two to the collection. We have a really beautiful cobalt blue and like a military green sort of a color. Beautiful formula. I think it's so worth it for like the 105 rupees that you pay for these. The beautiful eyeliners. Lashes. Now in almost every single video that I post, I get asked what eyelashes I'm wearing, and most of them I'm wearing the PAC M71 eyelashes. This is what they look like. These are the M72. So I wear M72 for like real life events because they're not as dramatic. They look a little bit more natural. M71 look really beautiful on camera. Eyelash glue. So the eyelash glue that I use is by Miss Claire, and it's their eyelash adhesive waterproof version. Before using this, I used to use the Duo's eyelash glue, which was so expensive. I think it was for like 900 rupees for exactly this size, and this is I think for like 200 bucks, which is not bad at all. So yeah, I would really highly recommend using this. It's a really nice eyelash glue. Now if you don't wear eyelashes, that's fine. We have mascaras. The first one that I recommend is the Maybelline's Lash Sensational mascara, an oldie but a goodie. Again, this is a product that I've been using even before I started my YouTube channel, so it's been a while since I've used this and I've gone through so many tubes of this, but I have kind of found a mascara that has replaced this. I don't know, I never thought I would say that, but it's the Lakme's Absolute Kareena Kapoor Khan Lash Definer. I've already ran out of like 2 of these. I'm gonna throw this one out, and I started using this the other day. I love this mascara. Like, if I had to just like choose one product, like makeup product, it would be mascara. I wear way too much of mascara and I love the way it looks. The last product that I'm going to talk about is highlighter. Now the first one is the Maybelline's Master Strobing Stick. Again, a product that you've heard me rave about. This kind of gives you like a glow from within sort of a look, not a blinding highlight. If that's what you're looking for, don't go for this one. I love this. This is in the shade Nude, by the way. I love this for an everyday basis. Now the reason why I'm not sharing lipsticks with you guys, because lipsticks can literally be like a separate video, and I'm going to be posting a lipstick video. I don't want to like say what, but it's going to be a drugstore sort of a lipstick video. It's going to come really soon. But other than that, I'm going to link a few of my favorite lipstick collection video, whatever, something on those lines. A few lipstick videos basically. If you're looking for lipstick recommendations, everything's going to be linked down below, along with all the products that I shared with you guys in today's video. I really hope this was a helpful sort of a video. I don't do makeup videos that often, and you guys keep requesting them, so yeah, I hope this was helpful. Other than that, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe. Click on the little bell to get notified every single time I post. Follow me on my Instagram, follow Simba Lifestyle, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.